Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the battery and basic controls so nothing interrupts the process. First, make sure the watch battery is at 1, 5V and seated, replace if weak. Next, locate the crown and understand its positions. Flush at 0, pulled 1 click for date, 2 clicks for time. Once done, place the watch face up on a soft cloth and use fine tweezers for small parts. This gets you into the right state to set time accurately and protect the movement. You now set the core functions with deliberate motions to avoid damage. Pull the crown to position 2 and rotate to set hours and minutes. Move hands forward rather than back for safety. For precise seconds, push crown to 1 to halt or to reset seconds, then synchronize with a reference and release at 0. If your watch has a date, return to position 1 and advance the date. Make sure you do not change the date between 9 p.m. and 3 a.m. You complete setup by securing the crown and verifying operation. Push the crown fully in and screw it down if the watch is threaded to restore water resistance. Wipe seals and confirm no gaps. Wear or leave the watch face up and observe over 24 to 48 hours to assess accuracy and daily drift. If the LCD is blank or intermittent, open the case, clean battery contacts gently with isopropyl, reseat the battery, and check flex cables. This single check fixes most contact-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.